So before we get started, I wanted to show you what I used in this video. First thing I used was the NAIR. Then I used a spoolie and a concealer brush or whatever you have. You can use anything you choose. But the next thing I use is really optional. You don't really have to use it, but I use soap, and you can really use any type of soap you want. What you want to do is simply just spray some water on the soap and use your spoolie and just massage the spoolie into the soap and then use it on your eyebrows. And make sure you brush your eyebrows upward.
And dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So this is how it's supposed to look when they dry. They look a little crazy, but once you shape them up, they'll look really cute. But once you're applying the NAIR, make sure you pat and don't swipe.
Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for hold me till.
I want to give a disclaimer. I wear glasses, so I can't really fully see what I'm doing. And it does look like I'm not applying it to the hair, but just wait.
I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. As soon as I put the NAIR on my eyebrow, it started to burn. That's why I didn't keep it on there for too long, but I still continue because I was trying to do this video for like a few days now. But I highly recommend y'all do not do that because your skin is just gonna burn.
Baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak.
Since I didn't keep the NAIR on for too long, all the hair didn't come off, so you could just pluck it and don't NAIR it again. And by the way, the NAIR, I think the NAIR was old because it was burning, but I tested it out before the video and everything was fine, so I don't know what happened.
Baby, reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep.
So I was gonna pluck them for y'all, but I couldn't find my tweezers, so this is what y'all gonna get. This video was a freaking mess, but this is the final look. And if you made it to the end of this video, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family.